A construction firm was hired to repaint a very large bridge. Written into contract was a $2 million penalty if the bridge was not completed in 87 days. Their crew of 7 painted 1/3 of the bridge in 45 days. So they knew at that pace they would never finish the bridge on time. How many more painters should be hired to allow the crew to paint the rest of the bridge in the 42 remaining days? Let's model the bridge. The task has to be completed in 87 days. Let's divide the bridge into 3 equal parts. It took crew of 7 45 days to paint 1/3 of the bridge. We have 2/3 of the bridge remaining and we have 42 days remaining to finish the entire task. Now let's create a table with number of painters, part of the bridge that needs to be painted, and number of days the task can be completed. 7 painters took 45 days to paint 1/3 of the bridge. That means it will take one painter 7 times 45, that is 315 days to paint 1/3 of the bridge. Looking at our bridge model, each part takes 315 days to paint. One painter will take 315 times 2, that is equal to 630 days to paint the remaining bridge. If one painter takes 630 days, 2 painters will take 630 divided by 2 equal to 315 days. 3 painters will take 630 divided by 2 equal to 210 days. But we know that we are left with 42 days. In 42 days, 2/3 of the bridge has to be finished painted. But we do not know the number of painters needed to complete the task. 630 divided by question mark is equal to 42 days. Doing the math, we get that it will take 15 people to complete the task. We already have 7 painters. We need to hire 15 minus 7 equal to 8 painters to complete the task.